The problem is the consumers are paying the electricity bill. I mean, obviously these, power plant, the hosting centers are paying for it too, but it's going to affect everybody else because there's just so much demand on it.
Yeah, there really is, and I think it's going to be really interesting that energy is going to be the new currency of the world. It will be freaky when government starts spending towards the AI arms race, because at that point it's we're too far gone. I don't know. That'll
Well, we're
be
starting
crazy.
to see it with like this. What's it? I just
Stargate.
totally Stargate. Yeah, I wanted to say Stargate, and then it sounded wrong. The Stargate project, right? And it's kind of the government, which currently shut down because it can't even figure out how to pay for its own bills, and is already committed to spend so much money on this, and of course going to only the big players, right? This isn't going to trickle down to small players. That money is only going to be hitting to the Oracles, the Open AIs, the Microsofts, the big players are the ones who are going to buy to get that.
Yeah, yeah. No, energy is going to be really important, and I mean that's obvious. But it's gonna but does it create jobs? Does building these data centers create jobs? Does the construction create jobs? Is it not? Like, I know the spending to get there is crazy, but overall for the economy, does it not create more jobs?
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see. Yes, but those jobs are also temporary, right? To build a building and then, like that's one and done kind of spending. So it's not the recurring. The data centers themselves pretty much run themselves. I mean, there are jobs to manage and run them and swap out servers and all of that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, these are not. It's not creating thousands of jobs, but it will create some in the areas.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So let's hop over to the revenue gap. So AI companies are generating roughly $60 billion in revenue this year against $370 billion in capital expenditures. That's a 6-to-1 ratio, from revenue from capex to revenue. Compare that to what we saw in the telecom bubble, where the ratio peaked at 4-to-1 and railroads 2-to-1. This is historically insane stretch that we're seeing. American consumers are spending only $12 billion annually on AI services, while companies burn through hundreds of billions building infrastructure.
If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.